officiating today's match. First referee, Mr. Efren Gaa, International Referee. Second referee, Mr. Jess Villarreal, National Referee. And now, for your starting six for the Philippine Army. Jersey number 3, Joanne Bunag. Jersey number 5, Mary Jane Balse. Jersey number 7, Team Captain, Tina Salak. Jersey number 8, Jovelyn Gonzaga. Jersey number 13, Rachel Ann Dakis. Jersey number 14, Nerissa Bautista. And their liberos, jersey number 15, Christine Agto. And now, for your starting six for the PLDT. Jersey number 1, Ruby De Leon. Jersey number 2, Raifabel De Vanadera. Jersey number 3, Team Captain, Suzanne Roses. Jersey number 5, Gretchen Soltones. Jersey number 11, Luan Latigay. Jersey number 14, Charo Soriano. And their libero, Lizzie Ann Pantone. And their head coach, Mr. Roger Gorayen.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, yan na po ha. Maghihiwalay na sila dito po sa San Juan Arena. Makikita kayo na magbe-break.
Ito yung masakit na pagbe-break.
Ito na, ito sa pelikula, kailangan may malasot lang scoring na gagawin dito. Pero action po mapapakita natin sa inyo. Ang babae magbe-break, maghihiwalay na po ng landas itong dalawang ito. Who do you think has the edge dito, Ms. Cavite?
Alam mo, mahirap sabihin, Noel, I'm not playing it safe, but it's really hard to tell eh. Kasi both, gaya na sabi mo, star-studded, itong PLDT, it is the same with the Philippine Army. So it's really very hard to tell kung sino ang talagang mananalo sa larong ito.
A lot of people are saying this could be the preview of the championship. Well, of course, the other teams will have something to say about that. Pero simula na po tayo. Tina Salak, who did not play in their last game, gets the start. Luan Latigay, maganda rin ang pinakita sa kanilang huling outing. Ruby De Leon.
Well, that's...
backliner pa siya? Ulit ang point. Hindi naman backliner si Ruby.
Frontliner, actually.
Oh. Sino daw? Sino nahuli? Ulit daw, ulit.
Was, well, nakikita ko lang doon was that yung coverage ni Pantone where she set the ball. That's the only thing I can see na pwede niyang tawagan.
Lumampas ba kamay ni Tatan? The point goes to Army. So, umpisa pa lang. May konting kulay na kagad dito. Charo tries to drop it. Rachel Andakis ngayon off the block. Soltones. At si Kuya galing sa likuran. Here is Salak now. Going to Rachel once again. Dug up. Uy, long rally naman ang nangyayari dito. Luan Latigay.
And that goes outside.
So 2-0 ngayon para sa Army. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. So ngayon, si Tina Salak serving once again. At napalakas ang serve ni Salak papunta sa gilid. So that'll be the first point ngayon para sa kupunan ng PLDT. So medyo nagkakapaan pa itong dalawang ito, no?
Medyo malamig ang panahon, Noel.
Uy, sa mga nasa lanta naman ng Bagyong Glenda, tutok na lang po kayo dito sa GMA News TV para mabigyan namin kayo ng konting kasiyahan sa larangan ng volleyball naman. Here's Suzanne Roses. Dug up there by Agno. Salak, pupunta ulit kay Dakis. Nakaabang doon si Soriano at nakaabang din si Luan Latigay para magbigay ng pangalawang puntos para sa PLDT home pad.
Good anticipation there from Luan Latigay. Yun yung sinasabi na kailangan alert ka all the time.
So 2-all. Ruby De Leon serving once again. Bautista, Salak, kay Gonzaga, inapiran yung bola, tumawid. The late set now for Luan. Nice block there coming from Gonzaga.
Back row attack from Soltones. Picked up by Salak.
And here's Dakis now. Picked up by Pantone. Latigay out of position. Tumira pa rin. Salak delays it for Gonzaga.
And that's outside.
That is just out para dito kay Guapa. So 3-2 now. PLDT with 3 straight points. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League. Si Ruby De Leon Miss Marikina naman. Uy! Service ace!
Good serve from Ruby.
Ruby De Leon, rekindling the form that won her the finals MVP in the first conference of last year.
Alam mo yung mga ibang players talaga hindi nawawala eh.
Yung iba, mawawala ng sandali, like in the first conference for Ruby. Was not her best conference, but now, bumalik na naman yung kanyang gilas. At eto, si Charo, kinapos yung kanyang tira, so that will be a point here for the Philippine Army. And now, Joan Bunag, serving para dito sa kupunan ng Philippine Army. Sa panahong tag-ulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger Katol ang gamitin, proudly Philippine-made. Overcooked the reception, good reflexes there by Roses, but not for long. So again, kapaan na nangyayari dito, parang first round na isang heavyweight boxing match. Parang papasok ka sa mall, kapaan. For all.
Better reception this time. Combination play.
Latigay stepped on Rachel's foot in the process as well.
Kitang-kita ng ating second referee.
Just Villarreal, our second referee. So, just like that, lamang na naman po itong kupunan ng Lady Troopers as Joan Bunag puts it in play. Soltones, Ruby, one-hand set, and nakaabang naman si Rachel Andaki. So, not a good start in terms of execution para dito sa kupunan ng PLDT Hotel Fan.
Parang may tayong mga konting miscommunication on the part of PLDT.
Of course, they are 4-0 dito sa ating open conference. Another good serve coming from Bunag. Here's Latigay, nakaabang si Balse. Soltones lifts it up again for Luan, former MVP. Here's Salak going to Rachel, a two-time finals MVP, and she scores. Rachel Miss Taytay.
Mga iba-ibang candidates to all over the Philippines.
Nabanggit ko di ba, si Rachel taga Taytay, si Salak taga Cavite.
Yan ang original na Miss Cavite.
Yan ang original na Miss Cavite. Tapos nakasabi ka natin si Ruby De Leon, taga Marikina, yung mga nasa lanta yata. Pag yung Glenda, tinamaan yung mga lugar na yan. So, sabi namin, nangangamusta kami sa mga kaibigan natin from Marikina, from Taytay, from Cavite. Kamusta sa inyo?
Well, in our area, hindi naman masyadong yung damage wasn't really that much. No? But yun nga lang, hanggang ngayon, wala pang ilaw. So, hindi makapanood yung mga taga-Cavite ng D-League.
Manood kayo sa telepono, pwede naman yun. Kung naka-charge kayo. Here's Latigay using the hand of Jovelyn Gonzaga to get that point. Di kita pa rin po tayo sa ating first set. 7-6 Army. Picasso is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. And here's the #1 server in the league. Kaus ko si Charo kanina, ito palang award na hindi pa niya napapanalunan. Best server.
So ito kanyang tinatarget ngayon.
Yeah, sabi ko, it's a good goal to have. At si Charo naman aims to get that. But how about that? Mary Jean Balse nagbigay ng 2 puntos na kalamangan para din sa Philippine Army. Kainit na po itong ating labanan. Kami po'y magbabalik.
Fun place to get great deals.
We always get the meal deal. There's something in it for everyone.
There's pizza, chicken, pasta.
It's worth it. That's why we're always here.
At Shakey's, we want to give you a fun time. So now you can choose what pizzas go with your monster meal and family meal deals.
Choose any for the same price.
What a great deal.
How do we make it better?
By texting, calling, and surfing.
With Smart's All Text 20 Plus.
Only on a text to everybody.
Trying to call to many.
Made better with all day surfing. No fees and the tweet. Share and like. It's the tweet that's so free. And it's still at $20.
Send to AT20 to 2827.
Ang ating score po, 8-6. Judy Sarrell with the latest from the sidelines. Go ahead, Judy.
Yes, Noel and Ivy, bago nga mag-umpisa ang laro ay nakausap ko itong si PLDT Home Telpad Head Coach Roger Gurayev at nasabi niya sa akin na dahil nga sa sama ng panahon ay hindi na nila nagawang makapag-ensayo para sa game ngayon. Ayon sa kanya, ang usual na laro at game plan na lamang nila ang ipapakita nila in today's game. Dagdag pa nga niya, tiwala naman daw siya sa kanyang mga players at kahit papaano daw ay advantage na para sa kanila ang 4 nilang panalo. On the other hand, ang Philippine Army naman ay nakapaghanda sa game ngayon. Ayon kay Head Coach Coach Rico de Guzman, isang araw lamang silang nakapag-ensayo at magpo-focus daw sila sa pagkakaroon ng aggressive floor defense at establish the blocking. That's all for now, Noel and Ivy.
Thank you very much, Judy. At yung advantage dito ng Philippine Army, kahit bagyuhin pa sila, katabi nila yung gym eh.
Right. At doon din sila nakatira sa area na yon.
Si Rachel lang ang import at saka si Tin Agno as of now. Ano? Here's Pantone getting that one across. Salak on the quick to Balse. Tatan keeps it alive. Here's Kuya on the attack. Dug up there by Tin Agno. And Salak gives it up. Nandun naman si Soltones. De Leon, quick step.
Play.
Wow. Good reflexes there by Dakis. Here's Bautista. Pantone. Latigay on the combination of the block. Dakis still keeping it alive. Long rally. Gonzaga. Hinulog sa harap ni Ruby.
I thought that Ruby would be able to get to that ball.
Maling paa yung pinagsimula ni Ruby sa takbo niya eh.
So wrong foot, so hindi niya nagawa ng paraan.
Ayan. Alam na ni Ruby kung anong mangyayari. In the meantime, it's a 4-point lead for the Philippine Army. The remote control serve of Rachel Ann Dakis. Is it on? Oh, yes it is. Free ball.
Free ball.
Agno now will field it. Sala, quick set. Oh, great block by Sasa de Banadera.
Excellent timing from Sasa.
Single block na lamang yon. It looked like Balse had a clear look. Tingnan mo dito, Ivy, oh. Boom! Hindi katangkaran si Sasa.
But the timing was really perfect.
Paangat pa lang actually ito si Sasa. So, great presence of mind there for the former San Sebastian player. The lead is down to 3. Sa panahong tagulan, iwasan ang dengue. Lion Tiger Katol ang gamitin. Proudly Philippine-made. Quick set. Balse. Pantone digging it up once again. Soltones now in front. Nakaabang naman si Jovelyn Gonzaga. Yan ang bionic guwapa.
Very, very flexible.
Tupong Gimaras naman po. Si Jovelyn Gonzaga, as you see, wow.
Perfect timing.
Back to live action, combination play. Soltones cannot get that one through. Another error here against PLDT home Telpan. At 5 na po ang abante rito ng Lady Troopers. Timeout, Roger Gurayev.
Si Kuya, hindi abang na abang yung palo mo. Hanap tayo ng ibang paluan. Doon sa gitna mo papatakin. Alam na yung pagdadalan mo rin ng bola eh. Mapapagdaan na yung player natin. Kalaban natin. Alam nila ang gagawin mo. Gagawin ninyo. Kailangan mag-isip kayo ng ibang atake dun sa loob. Bigka sa likod. Kung ano man. Bigka sa likod. Tapos mag-running. Tapos pa lang yung pumasok.
Sino ba nasa harapan ngayon?
Well, we have Sasa de Banadera, Soltones, and Kuya at the front line.
Okay, well, si Kuya lang alam mong sikat sa running dyan. Sasa is actually the best at the quick hit.
Yes. You know, I think Coach Rogers basically challenging everyone. Mag-isip kayo.
Yun, ang quick hit.
Mag-isip kayo ng variation. Kasi totoo naman din, you know, because we have a very experienced players on the here for the Philippine Army. At kapisado na nga naman kung ano yung mga galaw nila.
Well, with the exception of Soltones, ilang taon na rin itong magkakalaban.
Right.
Soltones is the youngest one. And how about a serve coming from Two Roses?
And not to mention that at some point also, these players have been teammates.
Yes,
diba?
that's true. Ito ngayon, si Two Roses, as we mentioned, two-time MVP dito po sa Shakey's Billy. Gonzaga, Sala, quick set, masyado mababa para kay Ging Balse. Galing sa likod, Luan. Here's Salak ngayon, going to Nene Bautista. Bautista off the block. Pantone keeping it alive. De Banadera, inangat para dito kay Soltones. Agno digs it up. Combination play again. And again, Pantone is there. And Ruby De Leon cannot get the second ball.
Almost a good save from Tatan.
Sabi ni Tatan, anong gusto mo, ate? Pero malayo-layo naman pinanggalingan. Zone 2 galing, papunta sa
Yeah,
zone 4.
malayo din naman yung tinapon ni Ruby.
4-point lead for the Philippine Army. Balse, Ruby, dug up there by Dakis. Out of position, Bautista, Pantone, De Leon, combination, Soltones, Salak nagulat. Bautista, down the line. Daming weapons ng Philippine Army, no?
And the combination, if you look at the kind of combination plays they execute, talagang malilito yung depensa ng PLDT.
Oo. That time, late reaction in the backline by Luan Latigay. 5-point lead anew para dito sa Philippine Army.
Ying Balse for the serve.
Another good one coming from Balse. Here's Roses sending it to Soltones. Off the block. Dakis. Iniangat para dito kay Bautista. Tries to misdirect. Back row attack now coming from Sue Roses. Salak. Bunag. Kept alive.
Ball still alive.
Eto nga si Salak. Walang tao doon kay Nene. Late reaction from Ruby De Leon.
Off the block. That's care of Nene Bautista.
Nene Bautista making it now a 6-point lead for the Lady Troopers. Makita mo yung adjustment nila. Sinubukan talaga lang habulin eh.
Yes. And at this point, it has been the errors of PLDT
Right.
that has been giving Army the comfortable lead.
Great serve there. Oh, a quick set to De Banadera. Bunag. Too near. And nakabang naman doon. Ito si Sasa. De Banadera.
Recovery from Sasa.
De Banadera doing a good job at the net. Ang problema, nasa likuran na. Ito si De Banadera to serve. Army up by 5. De Banadera serve. Fielded by Agno. Salak running attack. Joan Buna. Good coverage by Latigay. Papunta kay Soltones ngayon. Cross court. Agno digs it up. Hindi nagkaintindihan si Bunag at saka si Gonzaga that time. Latigay and Soltones also colliding. Salak making them pay.
And Salak taking the chance habang nagkakagulo. Ay, balik ko na kaya agad.
Good smile from the original Miss Cavite. It is 16-10 for Army. Kami po.
Hey, listen. Let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you why a girl like me is so head over heels for the new Shakey's Pizza 1954. The secret's in the crust. The new gourmet crust. Then it is topped with only the finest ingredients and fresh herbs. The new Shakey's Pizza 1954. Now that's what I call a throwback.
Getting music doesn't have to be this hard. Now it's easy with Spinner from Smart. The country's first music streaming app that upgrades your music experience. Download now to enjoy unlimited streaming for only $2.50 a day with no added data charges. Listen to millions of songs wherever you go. Change the way you enjoy music with Spinner. Free 15-day trial.
Kakagulo kayo, ha? Tandaan din natin, Ivy, coming into this match, as we take a look at it from another angle once again, that itong kupunan ng PLDT Home Telpad has won 12 consecutive sets. They have not surrendered a single set in their 4 wins. So, nakikita ni Coach Roger, nagkakagulo-gulo sila rin sa loob. Eh, talaga may inis siya. Bunag across. De Leon running attack. Charo, nice block by Dakis. There was one time before, and I probably might still apply now, that Dakis and Soriano were the faces of Philippine volleyball.
Right.
May still apply today. 17-10.
That's a service error from Bautista.
17-11, yeah.
That's comparing the errors. We spoke about the errors earlier. PLDT now has 6 errors as compared to only 3 of the Philippine Army. So that's quite significant considering that Army has already 9 attack points and PLDT only has 4.
Not a good serve coming from Gretchen Soltones. Sa kanyang jump serve, babasa 5 ang Kalamangan. Again, paalala po, wala pa pong talo magkabilang kupunan. And for PLDT Home Telpad, they have not dropped a single set.
So this game is actually important also, in terms of motivation for the team.
Right. Soltones goes the other
That's
way.
another service ace. That's the 4th service ace for PLDT.
At naiipon na po ang kanilang mga libreng puntos galing sa kanilang serbisyo. Papasa 4 ang Kalamangan dito ng Lady Troopers.
And I think that's a good thing, kung medyo nahihirapan sila with their offense, kasi hindi sila nagkakagulo sila minsan they compensate for that sa kanilang service.
Well, Gretchen Soltones has sparked a rally here coming from the Turbo Boosters. Galing sa 6 na pababa sa 3 puntos. Doon sa maling atake galing kay Joan Bunag. Again, jump serve niya, if it's on target, it's a good thing. Here we go again. Another good one.
Serve.
Yeah. Salak going to Dakis, off the block. Pamatay sunog. Rachel Andakis, who won her second Shakey's V-League Championship just last conference as a guest player for her former school, FEU. Running attack, Charo. This time, nailusog na kay Dakis.
And Army just leading now by 3 points, 18-15.
And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Rubita Leon. Bautista. Salak, one hand. Seth Gonzaga. And defenseless that time, si Rubita Leon.
Excellent play from Salak and Gonzaga. Mahirap yung one-hand set na yun, ha?
Ay, naku, si Salak yan eh. Walang mahirap dyan.
May abs yung daliri niya.
Well put, Ivy Remulla. Well put. Here's De Leon. Roses down the middle. At Mintis. So balik na naman sa lima ang abante. And this is another timeout by PLDT Home Telpad from Roger Gurayat.
Dalawang tao mo rin. Bublak na yan. Pipilit mo pa rin ipalo. Tingnan nyo kasi yung lugar. Bago kayo pumalo, tingnan nyo muna sa iba pa. Depensa si Rachel, puro down the line ng palo. Bakit ka nandito? Kaya nagkakaproblema tayo kasi yung sinasabi sa inyong depensa, paulit-ulit lang. Yung ginagawa nyo, paulit-ulit din. Bakit hindi kasi kayo naglalaro ng maayos eh? Pumapalo siya, abang ka na dito. Hindi yung pag bumagsak namatay, saka nyo lang maiisip, ay mali yung pwesto ko.
And Coach Roger Gurayat knows because naging player niya si Rachel Andakis as a guest player for Ateneo in the first conference of last year, season 10. So 2015, Joanne Bunag.
Service good. Good reception. Combination play. Luan Latigay.
Pasok daw. Sabi na linesman natin.
Down the line hit. That was also a good play executed by PLDT. Isa lang ang blocker ni Luan eh.
And that's also a rare attack point coming dito sa PLDT Home Telpad. Dito sa ating opening set. But again, you want points, you go to Latigay, also averaging in double figures. And now Charo Soriano. Going long this time sa kanyang serve. Sala combination, Dakis. Soriano iniangat. De Leon going to Luan Latigay once again off the block. Played there by Bautista. Back set now. Gonzaga cross court.
Excellent angle by Gonzaga. Iwas na iwas sa block yun ah.
And Jovelyn Gonzaga, ang bilis bumasa na sitwasyon.
And I think that's an advantage because she's a left-handed spiker eh.
Well, utility spiker talaga. Yung halos lahat ng opensa niya galing sa karang bahagi ng kanilang court. Now Rachel Andakis hoping to serve it out with the remote control serve. Fielded by Pantone. Running attack to Roses. Nakahabang naman doon si Bautista. De Leon, hinulog ulit para kay Roses. Daga by Salak. Gonzaga. Palse! Ang daming sandata ng Philippine Army. Hindi lang po sa volleyball court, kundi para sa pagtanggol ng ating bansa, syempre.
Correct.
3 points away from the first set. 3 points away from dealing PLDT Home Telpad their first lost set of the season. Soltones and Roses, a good move. Mahulog-hulog ni Sue Roses. Ilang taon na niya ginagawa dito. Hirap pa rin yung spelling, Sue Roses is not really that strong of a hitter, pero napakaganda ng mga placement shots niya.
Yeah. I think it's more of the calculated hits, Alam lang kung saan dadalhin.
Right. Salak going to Balse, nalunod si Balse.
Napasigaw na lang si King doon. Hindi ko naabot.
Tangkad na niyan, ha? Ayaw niya sabihin 6-footer siya, no? Okay. Ba't ganun yung mga babae? Ayaw na sabihin 6-footer sila. Although kahit na alam na
alam mo talaga.
Oo.
Para ano lang yun pag sinabi mo ang ganda mo, hindi naman. Ganun lang
Ganun
yun
ba? Okay, that's a different way of looking at this. Latigay gets a service error. 5 puntos ulit ang abante rito ng Philippine Army. Now it's the Bionic Guapa on the serve. And Pantones to give it up. Salak ngayon. Balse. Again, no defense in the back.
Miscommunication that we can see here in the PLDT side. Parang lahat sila, they're kind of lost eh.
Oo.
Hindi alam kung saan pupwesto, hindi alam sinong kukuha.
6 na set point. Gonzaga gets it, and this is the first set lost by PLDT Home Telpad this season. Convincing pa, nakuha ng Philippine Army 25-18 to take set number 1 sa labanan po ng ating mga undefeated squads dito po sa ating Shakey's Feeling. As we take a look at our Shaky Play. At dying serve galing dito kay Bionic Guapa, wala na nakasalo para dito ko po na ng PLDT home telpad. So ang ating pong second set sa aming pong pagbabalik.
How do I keep an angel happy? Monday, we text all day. I call her on Tuesday and Wednesday too. Thursday, we chat. So Friday, I'm in love. With Smart Prepaid All-In, 99 pesos lang, you're all set for 7 days. So every day you can text, call, surf, and Facebook. Thanks to the largest network. Send All-In 99 to 2827. Got plans now?
Yeah. With you.
I'm so lucky.
Now you can get ultra-fast internet speeds with Smart Pro's most affordable LTE plan. For as low as $5.99 a month, no lock-in period. What are you waiting for? Get Smart's internet now. Smart Pro.
What's a fun place to get great deals?
Shakey's! We always get the meal deals. There's something in it for everyone.
There's pizza, chicken, pasta.
It's worth it. That's why we're always here.
At Shakey's, we want to give you a fun time. So now you can choose what pizzas go with your Monster Meal and Family Meal deals.
Choose any for the same price.
What a great deal.
Yeah, Shakey's!
How do we make it better?
By texting, calling, and surfing.
With Smart's All Text 20 Plus.
We all got text to everybody.
Trying to call so many.
Made better with all-day surfing. No feels and a tweet. Share and like. Instant keys and a selfie. And it's still at 20 bucks.
Send AG20 to 2827.
So another day gets better. Better than the day before.
Hey, listen. Let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you why a girl like me is so head over heels for the new Shakey's Pizza 1954. The secret's in the crust, the new gourmet crust. Then it is topped with only the finest ingredients and fresh herbs. The new Shakey's Pizza 1954. Now that's what I call a throwback.
And, well, the errors naman, we can say, although mas marami ang PLDT, it's not really as much, you know.
Right.
I think the very big difference talaga dyan is because you're not able to contribute with the attack points.
Well, alam mo sinasabi nga ni Coach Roger, maganda naman ang reception nila, pero bakit hindi sila maka-atake? The relentlessness nitong kupunan ng Philippine Army naman ang naging rason kung ba't nila nakuha yung ating first set. Ging Balse from 2 angles, makikita natin dito. Ngayon, papasok na dito sa ating second set, ano? So, nangyari na. Natalo na ng 1 set for the first time this season itong PLDT home telpad. Anong bawian natin dito ngayon?
Well, definitely what they need to correct would be yung errors nila during the first set. And I would say na more communication lang inside the court. Kasi marami tayong mga opportunities na nakita na medyo nagkapaan itong turbo boosters.
That time, si Rachel Andakis subukan manggulat. Di umubra. So, 1-0. Angela Benting is in for the first time. Para dito sa kupunan ng PLDT home telpad. Here's Tina Salak on the quick set to Bunag na hindi tumawid.
That was a bit low for Joan Bunag.
Again, you have to remember also that itong kupunan ng Philippine Army is playing without Jack Alarca, who is out indefinitely dahil sa isang high ankle sprain.
Misreception.
That's rare. And Dakis says hello to Coach Rico de Guzman. Parang di pa sila magkasama mag-almusal pananghalian kanina. 3-0 now for PLDT home telpad. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Tinitignan ni Dakis kung buhay pa yung French manicure niya.
Baka nasira daw yung kanyang nail polish.
Here is the serve. Again, a good one coming from Benting. Running attack, Bunag, finally.
That's off the block of Soriano.
Tinuturo pa rin ni Rachel yung kanyang daliri. Kita mo na kung gano'ng kamahal to. Ganun-ganun lang natuklap.
Oo, natuklap lang. Papaulit daw niya ulit.
Oh,
for
wow.
reception.
That's a great serve from Tina Salak, and that is rare na si Leslie Ann Gata Pantone hindi makuha yung kanyang serve. Si Gata, masasabi na natin, ano na yan legendary proportions na ang reputation niya sa libero. Charo, turn back by Punag. De Leon, to whom it may concern. Good take, however, there by Roses. And again, parang walang communication para dito sa kupunan ng PLDT Home Telpan.
That's right.
And this is what we expected also kanina, setting change. Ruby De Leon will sit, Lourdes Patilano will see her first action. Big shoes to fill, however, para dito kay Des Patilano. As we thank our friends from Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's Billy. 3-all. Well, a serve again from Salak. Walang tao doon. Tinignan lang ni Benting, and Charo is slow to get up.
Miscommunication once again here for PLDT.
That's 4 straight points now para dito sa Philippine Army. 4-0 run. Salak. Could it be a 5-0 run? Hindi. Naabutan pa yan ni Pontone. Latigay. Gives it up. Agno. Salak. Combination Dakis. 5 straight.
Yep. Medyo tulog ng konti dito sa ating second set.
Kita natin dito. This is just great setting by Tina Salak. And nobody there to contest Rachel Andakis. 5 straight for the Lady Troopers. Short serve this time. Patilano for Soriano. Agno is there. Quick set. Punag cannot get to it. So an error para sa Philippine Army. Nagbigay ng puntos para sa PLDT Home Telpan. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger Gatol ang gamitin, proudly Philippine made. Des Patilano now. Agno. Gonzaga, single block there coming from Soriano. Dakis out of position. Patilano. Roses, iniangat para kay Latigay at napalakas.
That is outside. The point goes to the Lady Troopers.
Kaya pag nakapwesto sa ilalim si Luan, malamang sa alamang malakas ang tira niya.
Joanne Bunag now for the serve.
Former FEU player. Patilano leaves it for Charo Soriano. Good connection between Patilano and Soriano. And now Charo back to serve. Down by 1. Charo, good serve. Bautista, Salak, Balse. And
violation called up against PLDT. It's a net violation error. No, it's against Devanadera.
Casa.
Yes, according to our second referee.
So 7-5 Army. 3-0 na yung kanina para sa PLDT Home Telpan. There's Rachel Andakis warming up the remote controls. Here's Patilano na combination play. Good dig there coming from Agno. Bautista
down the line.
Yan ang mahirap din Ang dami niya ring angulo. May cross court, may down the line. And this time the down the line works. 3-point lead para sa Lady Troopers. We'll be right back.
Getting music doesn't have to be this hard. Now it's easy with Spinner from Smart. The country's first music streaming app that upgrades your music experience. Download now to enjoy unlimited streaming for only $2.50 a day with no added data charges. Listen to millions of songs wherever you go. Change the way you enjoy music with Spinner. Free 15-day trial.
How do I keep an angel happy? Monday, we text all day. I call her on Tuesday and Wednesday too. Thursday, we chat. So Friday, I'm in love. With Smart Prepaid All-In, 99 cents flat, you're all set for 7 days. So every day you can text, call, surf, and Facebook. Thanks to the largest network. Send all-in 99 to 2827. Got plans left?
Yeah. With you.
I'm so lucky.
And coming from Nene Bautista as we send it over to Judy Sariel.
Noel and Ivy, halata nga na hindi naging masaya itong si PLDT Home Talpa at Coach Roger Gorayev sa naging resulta ng unang set hanggang ngayon. Kaya nga dito sa second set ay walang tigil sa pagpapaalala si Coach Roger sa Turbo Boosters na kailangan nilang lumaban at maglaro ng maayos. Gaya na nga sabi nyo kanina, mag-communicate at iwasan ng errors. Yan nga din ang paulit na instruction nitong si Coach Roger sa kanya mga players. Noel and Ivy?
Well, Rachel Andakis, nakakuha na naman ng service ace. Coach Roger, nangiti na lang eh.
Well, he was emphasizing a very important point, no, na to play as a team and not as an individual.
Right.
And I guess tama rin naman yung pinuntos ni Coach Roger na you don't have to count your errors for yourself. They count it as a team.
Oh, that time, Pantone nagdalawang isip kung in or out yung tira ni Bautista. So even Pantone is not having a good day. Nangiti na rin.
Wala ka na magagawa kundi umiti na lang eh.
Tignan natin ngayon kung ano magiging reaction nila. Another serve coming from Dakis, this time a short one. Atilano, combination play. And Luan Latiga in the differential that time. 10-6.
And it is Luan Latigay at the service line.
Because it's the official ball of the Shakey's B-League. Former league MVP from San Sebastian.
Good serve.
Salak barely keeping that one in as Bautista scores again. One hand na ganyan ni Kila Salak, ano? Sabi ko may ups yung daliri niya.
But it confuses the blockers from the other side eh. Kasi she's a tall setter and pag-iisipan mo talaga kung i-over niya ba yung bola o isi-set niya pa muna eh.
Lalo pag nasa front line siya, no? Another service ace. This time coming from Jovelyn Gonzaga. Yung first set lamang ang PLDT home telpad sa Department Health, 4-1. But right now, mamayagpag na itong kupunan ng Philippine Army. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger katolang gamitin, proudly Philippine-made. Bautista cannot score. Atilano has to go up against Bautista. At alam naman ni Nene kung anong gagawin niya. Time out, Roger Gorayev. Ito na po ang pinakamalaking kalamangan ng Philippine Army sa laban na ito, 7 puntos.
Laro naman tayo na laro na gustong manalo. Makaraos lang, parang ininatas. Sabihin nyo sa akin kung gusto nyo manalo. Kung ayaw nyo manalo, parang pinupwersa na kayo eh. Kanina, second first set, ang gaganda ng receipt natin, nahirapan tayo. Ngayon, wala na tayong receipt. Paano pa tayo gagawin yan? Di lalo tayong mahihirapan. Ha?
Alam mo sino yung hanap ko rito? As we take a look at this play once again, kawawang Des Patilano, no choice.
Yeah, going up against Nene Bautista.
Kaya nga, hinahanap ko rin sa PLDT home telpad, isang madaldal na nasa sahig.
They're very quiet, no? Napansin mo rin yun, no? They're very quiet and yung hinihinging communication ni Coach Roger.
Mr. Tony Boyliao, of course, our tournament director, Mr. Ricky Palu, of Sports Vision in attendance dito. And here is Patilano now. Benting, that's the way to do it.
But, PLDT earns the point but you don't feel them rejoicing
malayo pa
for
yan,
the point. But I think yun din yung isang kailangan nila, yung parang buhay sa loob ng court.
Sino kaya magbibigay sa kanila yan? Balse. And that time, pinadaan ulit kay Pantone. It's beginning to be a workout here for the Philippine Army. Oo nga, hindi nakapractice ng PLDT home telpad, but these girls have been together for months already. 14-7. King Balse. Pantone. Patilano. Benting. Puro taga-Adamson yun.
Excellent play from Angela Benting. Hindi nga naman kailangan na lahat malalakas na palo. It was an excellently placed attack.
Para lang ang panibago, no? Mga taga-Adamson na nakapula. Lahat. Ito, sanay na tayo nakapula to.
Yeah. School colors na naman niya yun eh.
Sasa de Banadera with the serve. Salak now going to Bautista. Another attempt at a cross-court shot. Here is Benting. Dakis. Salak. Shadow malapit. Hinuk shot na lang ni Bautista. This time, Patilano almost beats Bautista. Agno, nasa gasaan ni Gonzaga. Free ball. Here's Patilano now. Quick set to Charo. Nandun naman si Takis. Gonzaga, Bautista, Roses, Patilano, Agno, Salak. Hindi makatira si Gonzaga. Patilano this time. Going to her college teammate, Angela Benting. Wala pa rin. Here is Bautista, finally.
Down the line hit from Bautista.
Haba ng rally na yon. Tignan natin dito. Yun ang grace under pressure for Tina Salak eh, no? Haba na ng rally. Alam pa rin niya, kulang tayo. Tsaga-tsaga lang.
And for Nene naman, no, alam na talaga kung saan padadaanin ng bola. Of course, Des Patilano, the smaller of the two blockers.
Benting, denied by Salak. 16-8. Totoo ba ito napapanood natin? Army, all over PLDT Home Telpad. We'll be right back.
Now you can get ultra-fast internet speeds with Smart Pro's most affordable LTE plans. For as low as $5.99 a month, no lock-in period. What are you waiting for? Get Smart's internet now. Smart Pro.
What's a fun place to get great deals?
We always get the meal deal. There's something in it for everyone.
There's pizza, chicken, pasta.
It's worth it. That's why we're always here.
At Shakey's, we want to give you a fun time. So now you can choose what pizzas go with your monster meal and family meal deals.
Choose any for the same price.
What a great deal.
How do we make it better? By texting, calling, and surfing. With Smart's All Text 20 Plus. Trying it calls too many. Made better with all day surfing. No feels endless week. Share and like. Instant key, that's so clear. And it's still at 20 bucks. Send to 1820 to 2827. So every day gets better. Better than the day before.
Yeah. So, Zika. Oops.
Angela Benting.
That's a good cross-court shot there coming from Benting, former captain of Adamson University. And among a select group of players who have scored more than 30 points in one game dito in Shakey's League. Good read there by Agno. Napalakas yung serve ni Benting. And it is now 17-9. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Salak. Pantone. Des Patilano. Masyadong malapit para kay Luan. Reflex action ni Roses. Bumalik sa kabilang side. Gonzaga.
And Coach Roger has actually already mentioned that. Huwag masyadong dikit sa net. Because malalaki nga naman ng blockers.
Well, Rupi De Leon will return to replace Patilano. 18-9. And Salak serve goes long. May nagbukas daw ng pintuan bigla.
And so far here in this set, Philippine Army really doing very well in all departments. 9 attack points, 1 from block, and 3 service aces.
Takis is actually digging well or receiving well para di sa koponan ng Philippine Army. Gonzaga looking for a check ball, hindi niya makukuha. Mabasa pito ang abante ngayon ng Lady Troopers. Ruby De Leon, former UST Growling Tigress. Sala, quick set, Bunag. De Leon, back set ngayon, papunta rito kay Sue Roses. Nagkatinginan na lang si Agno at si Bautista. Sabi ni Kuya sa atin, sabi hindi yung malakas pumalo.
Sabi mo kasi.
Pero yun, yung mga magandang set naman yun para kay Kuya.
And I guess, you know, that's what we call variation also. Minsan malakas, minsan hindi. Oh, that's an error called, that's an error from Ruby De Leon from the set.
And Jeannie Sabas will see her first action. Papalitan muna ito si Joanne Bunag. 7-point lead for the Philippine Army. Of course, ang napilay si Jack Alarca, si Jeannie Sabas, ang umako ng quicker position.
And she did a good job, actually, in that position.
Good push. Salak chases it. Here's Dakis. Long. Uy,
there
check ball.
Is a check Yes, there is a check.
So Dakis will score. 8 ang abante ngayon ng Philippine Army. Rini Sabas from the University of San Jose Recoletos in Cebu.
Good serve.
De Leon, iniangat para dito kay Luan Latigay. Gonzaga, second ball na atakam. Sabi ni Gonzaga, hindi ko na po ulitin yan mga ate. She's actually one of the youngest in the team.
Yeah.
She's 22, turning 23 on Halloween. Halloween ng birthday.
Yeah.
Oh, Halloween ng birthday. So dapat every year siguro team ng birthday niya.
Halloween.
Costume
mga
party.
monsters and ghosts, gano'n.
Gonzaga,
Oy, that was a good cross court from Jovelyn Gonzaga. Gandang bawi dun sa earlier na error niya.
Completely missing na ang floor defense ng PLDT home telpad. At ito na si Miss Remote Control. Kahit si Rachel napatili doon.
She was trying to go for a short serve.
Which is new for Rachel, ano? Nag-experiment na siyang i-vary yung kanya serve. Usually matatalim na malalakas yan eh. Luan Latigay now. Down 7. Here's Salak going to Gonzaga and again unmarked. And that will find the line. Kamot ulo si Angela Bintig eh.
Sinagdaan yun.
Oh. Again, a perfect set coming from Tina Salak.
And I must say, it also came on from a perfect reception as well from Inagna.
Guapa with the serve. Pantone. Devanadera. Setting it to Binting with the left hand. Salak. Combination. Bautista. De Leon. Setting it to Roses. Palse. Wow.
Off the hands of Devanadera.
Yan ang ibig sabihin, matagal na kayong magkakilala.
That was actually a missed ball already.
Oh.
And I would say also that the angle given to Ging Balse is not easy kasi galing sa likod niya eh.
At saka kakakuha lang ni Balse ng bola, ibabalik agad sa kanya. Yan lang, that's what being long-time teammates can do. Salak, visit. 23-15. Dalawang puntos na lang po kailangan ng Lady Troopers para maging 2-0 ang kalamangan nila sa laban na ito. MVP candidate, Sue Roses. Trying for a third MVP this year. Balse already with 2 as well. De Leon. Benting, blocked there by Salak. De Leon. Galing sa likod, Latigay. Nandun na naman si Balse. Si Dakis rather. And yun ang mga nakakagulat na play ng PLDT home telpat na kailangan nilang gawin. Oo. Kaya naman ni Luan mag-backline eh. 23-16. Roses again. Agno. Bautista. Balse. Pasok pa rin.
Balse. Talagang well calculated ang court.
So 8 set points now for the Lady Troopers. King Balse, Tubong Davao. 2-time league MVP. De Leon, too high. Salak. Sabas. Devanadera. Sabas. Balse.
Bautista off the block.
Yep. So again, another easy win para sa Philippine Army against the undefeated PLDT home telpat. 2 sets na natin na po ang kalamangan ng Lady Troopers. Sila sandali, makikita natin ang ating shake and play. Galing sa adlib. Sabi naman ni Nene Bautista, ilakad pa ako. Tara na.
Baka daw umulan ulit.
Yun na nga eh. And we will be back for set number 3.
Hey, listen. Let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you why a girl like me is so head over heels for the new Shakey's Pizza 1954. The secret's in the crust. The new gourmet crust. Then it is topped with only the finest ingredients and fresh herbs. The new Shaky Pizza 1954. Now that's what I call a throwback.
Getting music doesn't have to be this hard. Now it's easy with Spinner from Smart. The country's first music streaming app that upgrades your music experience. Download now to enjoy unlimited streaming for only $2.50 a day with no added data charges. Listen to millions of songs wherever you go. Change the way you enjoy music with Spinner. Free 15-day trial.
How do I keep an angel happy? Monday, we text all day. I call her on Tuesday and Wednesday too. Thursday, we chat. So Friday, I'm in love. With Smart Prepaid All-In, 99 pesos lang, you're all set for 7 days. So every day you can text, call, surf, and Facebook. Thanks to the largest network. Send All-In 99 to 2827. Got plans na?
Yeah. With you.
I'm so lucky.
Now you can get ultra-fast internet speeds with Smart Pro's most affordable LTE plan. For as low as $5.99 a month, no lock-in period. What are you waiting for? Get Smart's internet now. Smart Pro.
What's a fun place to get great deals?
We always get the meal deal. There's something in it for everyone.
There's pizza, chicken, pasta.
It's worth it. That's why we're always here.
At Shakey's, we want to give you a fun time. So now you can choose what pizzas go with your Monster Meal and Family Meal deals.
Choose any for the same price.
What a great deal.
How do we make it better?
Dun sa kanilang first set loss.
Well, of course, dito sa ating third set, before we do that, second set action muna. Makikita natin dito, Ging Balse, no? Biglang uminit na lang.
Yeah.
Silang dalawa ni Nene Bautista, actually.
That's right. And you know, one thing I like about yung mga atake nito nga si Ging Balse and si Nene Bautista, most of them are not coming off yung very, yung mga perfect sets. You know? Kadalasan yun yung mga miss ball. Yung gawa mo na lang ng paraan.
Well, the thing is nga, si Tina Salak matagal na nila kakampi. So, alam nila, ay, medyo sablay yung set, adjust na lang tayo. And again, that's what experience can do for you. Isipin mo, 2011, when they first won this, kung wala lang sa lineup nila ngayon, would probably be Jen Reyes, who's replaced by Tin Agto na. So, worthy replacement as well. As Rachel Andaki scores the first point para sa Lady Troopers dito sa set number 3. Sino pa ba? Wala pa si Jobelin Gonzaga noon.
Jobelin, wala pa rin.
Pero still, they have Michelle Carolino, na hindi pa injured noong time na yun, ha? Here's Benting.
Gonzalez taking over setting duties for Philippine Army, and it is a missed reception from Cantone.
Not a good day para kay Tatan. And papalitan na nga siya, as we thought it would be Eliza Eroa out of San Sebastian, seeing her first action dito. And Sarah Jane Gonzalez is also in. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shaky. So Gonzalez with a good serve. Soltones way behind. Gonzalez, quick set to Sabas.
Good save from Soltones. Benting, off speed.
Ganda ng
Ball
blanca
still
dun.
alive.
Rubigils it up. Here's Gonzalez now. Combination. Ay! Ang hirap na mga ganong patong play na basahin talaga. And Gonzaga, yung mga play na ginagawa ni Coach Kung Fu. Para sa sarili niya.
Ang nipis talaga na dinaanan ng bola eh.
Oh.
And again, another advantage of being a left-handed spiker.
Miss-hit na yun eh.
Kasi yung orientation natin, of course, we're used to somebody hitting with using the right hand.
Wow! Gonzalez with a service ace that was not even touched by Eroa. 4-0. Kaya sabi nga ng mga kaliwete, kahit kapwa kaliwete, hindi nila alam kung ano gagawin nila. Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's, really, in short, lefties also have a hard time against fellow lefties.
That's right. And so far at this point, we have for the Lady Troopers, it is Gonzaga with the top scorer with 11 points, followed by Bautista with 9, and Ging Balse with 7. And on the other hand, para sa PLDT, the top scorer is Lou Anlatigue with only 5 points.
Ano sana si Suzanne Rosas dyan? Wala.
Angela Binting with 4, Suzanne Roses and Sasa de Panadera both with 3.
3 pa lamang.
Yes.
Suzanne Roses, MVP candidate. There's something wrong today with this unit. Eroa lifts it up. Roses, Soltones, at galing na sa adlib. And I think, alam mo ito si Gretchen Soltones has enough energy na hawaan ang mga kakampi niya.
Ang tanong is makahawa ba?
Well, she's also one of the youngest
Yes.
on the team. At patingin ko, ito si, nagbubuo tayo ng under 23 na national team ngayon. Shoe-in na to. Pasok na yan si Gretchen Soltones.
Very talented, young lady.
Yep. And Gonzaga, who cannot be part of that team, will explain later. Here is Gonzalez setting up Sabas.
No blocker there. Single blocking from PLDT.
Si Jovelyn kasi, magte-23 na yan this year. Eh, next year pa ilaban.
So talagang
Hindi siya abot. Pero, of course, you would love to have somebody like a left-handed utility spiker like Jovelyn Gonzaga on the national team under 23. Pero national team na siya, seniors.
Yeah.
Yung women's team talaga. Roses, getting that one through, also a member of the national team. So 5-3. There's Charo Soriano. Back to serve. Sa panahon ng tag-ulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger Katol ang gamitin, proudly Philippine-made. Gonzalez. Gonzaga. Naabangan that time. They go to Dakis. Dakis, pinamigay backliner. Hindi naman sa backliner, nawala lang sa pwesto.
Angela Binting off the block.
Gonzalez now going to Dakis this time. Whoa! A bullet from Rachel. 6-3. Dito may kita. Kung anong dinadala ni Rachel Dakis for the past how many years she's been playing here in the Shakey's V-League. Another angle. Detonation from Taytay. From Taytay with love.
With love.
With love.
Yung malakas na yun with love.
Ito, si Rachel lang sa serve. Off the net and it lands.
With a little help from the net. That's a service ace for the Lady Troopers.
Napapasok pa lamang ni Eroa, masakit na katawan niya. Picasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. 7-3 Army. Dakis again. Eroa, ayaw na yung mga short serves no? Oh wow, too near for Nene. And they miss there, however. That's a lucky break para sa PLDT.
Angela Binting now getting ready to serve for PLDT. Serve is good.
Gonzalez now for Gonzaga. Lifted by De Leon. Gretchen Soltones nasa harapan. Naabangan naman naging Valse.
Solid block from Jing Valse.
Lahat ng gawin ng PLDT home telpad may sagot ang Philippine Army. We'll be right back.
Iikot mo lang Doon mo ng targeting mo. Isip na sa laro. Kung nawawalan ng pag-aasa sa inyo. Kanina ko pa kayo. Gusto ko lang makapaglaro kayo ng maayos. Hindi sa ganyang pamamaraan tayo matatalo. Sige, tinanggap ko na. Talo tayo. Ayaw nyo rin naman maglaro ng maayos Magkakagulo lang tayo. Magkakasama lang tayo ng loob. Baka makapagsalita ako hindi maganda. Ayun dito, ako maglalaro ng ganyan. Hindi ko naman yung ginagawa ninyo. Nakakaya naman tayo. Wala kayong problema sa akin kung matatalo. Pero hindi ganyan. Nagpa-practice tayo. Isang araw na tayo hindi nag-practice. Tinatango kayo kanina. Ba't doon sa dagat ang tatahimik ninyo? Wala kayong magsigasing na bakit? Dahil umulan. Ano saan tayo tinataman?
Of course, narating na linggo po, ito ang laban natin dito po sa San Juan Arena, July 20. Army taking on the National University. And it'll be an all-UAAP battle. The Ateneo de Manila Lady Eagles against the UP Lady Maroons. We send it now to Judy Saril.
Noel and Ivy, at this point, tanging pag-aalaga na lamang sa kalamang nakuha ang concern nitong si Philippine Army Head Coach Rico de Guzman. Sabi ni Coach Rico sa Lady Troopers kanina, ipagpatuloy lang natin to at huwag na tayo mag-relax. Pagtutuunan pa din natin ng pansin ang blocking sa floor defense natin. Panghuli din ni Coach Rico, ayaw naman na nating makuha nila ang game na to, kaya dapat this set lalo tayo mag-focus. Noel and Ivy?
Well, focus na itong Philippine Army na bumalik ng barracks. bago umulan.
That's right. May mga goal in mind talaga sila no? But so far, it is a comfortable lead here for the Lady Troopers. They're up by 5 points, 9-4.
It's a good serve there coming from Gonzaga. Soltones, iuhulog. And again, Soltones has all of the energy. Ang katanungan din yung mga ate ba niya magre-respond sa energy niya.
But yeah, I think more than anything, what's missing here for PLDT really is yung energy sa loob ng court.
Right.
You know, and we've seen they're actually more energetic in the first set. And then unti-unti nang nawala yun towards the second and here in the third.
Parang landslide, ano? Unti-unti muna yan. Mamaya may mahuhulog na malaking bato, nakaharang na sa Kenon. Kailangan niya nang umikot ulit ng Marcos Highway, pwedeng nagilihan. Naranasan mo na ba, Airs and Other Services, naranasan mo na ba maharangan sa Kenon Road Pocket ng Baguio?
Hindi pa.
Hassle
Pa. Major detour yan
no? Kasi ang layo ng ikutin mo, babalik ka na naman dun.
Yeah, but here for PLDT, wala na silang oras para umikot.
Wala na.
You know, they really have to recover now, and they...
Again, there's Soltones again.
That's a Soltones, but you know, she can't do it alone. Yeah, she needs other players, of course, to follow suit. And eventually, babantayan na rin ng Lady Troopers yan
Right now, siya lang po ang lone source of income ng pupunan ng PLDT home telpad. That's just a 5-point lead. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. De Vanadera on the serve, Agno on the reception. Gonzalez, back set ngayon for Bautista. Nandun si Roses. Combination play. Soltones again. Dug up there, and Charo Soriano puts it away. Yan ang kailangan. Soltones is providing the energy. Kailangan mag-respond lang ng mga ate niya. Down to 4. Sabi naman ni Coach Roger, tanggap kung talo tayo, pero wag naman sa ganitong paraan.
Of course, you know, as a coach, I mean, you can accept defeat if you see it, but you won't accept it kasi hindi lumalaban.
Para nagpapasagasa na lang sa pison. Quick set, Charo. And goes to Nene Bautista. Nice block by De Leon. Gonzalez, Yuhulog, kept alive by Roses.
And it is a free ball.
Here's Gonzalez now, across. Bautista. Sabi ko sana, better floor defense now for PLDT home telpad, but that was just a really solid shot from Nene.
Well, at least one good thing about it now is for PLDT, nasasalat na nila yung mga bola ngayon. It's not just, you know, yung pagpalo, totally wala man na nakakakuha.
Ngayon, tingnan mo sino na bumalik, si Pantone. Back in already, mukhang na-inspire. And that's exactly what happened as Pantone dives for it. Soltones overshoots.
No touch, according to the referee.
Si Pantone kanina, si Tatan, malamyang pasok dito sa laban na ito. But will she take the lead from Soltones? Tignan natin. As Bautista serves.
Another short ball.
Combination.
Inaabangan
na. And you said that kanina, Ivy, aabangan na ng Philippine Army ang mga kilos ni Soltones. And Jeannie Sabas, naharangan na niya completely. Parang isang trosong nahulog sa kalye. Marami bang ganun sa inyo?
Mga troso. Hindi naman.
Trosong nahulog.
Hindi naman troso.
Hindi naman.
Sanga-sanga lang.
Sanga. Diba? Wala daw troso sa Cavite, sabi ni Barry Pascua.
Mas sanga-sanga lang
Mas lalo na sa kinalaroonan ni Ivy Remulla na medyo exclusive yung lugar.
Hindi naman.
Gawa sa ginto yung mga puno. Kuryente pag tumama sa power line.
Patay tayo.
15-7. Here is Bautista again. Pantone.
Good reception.
Combination, Soltones, Agno, Dakis. Pinamigay kay Soltones. And again, Soltones now. Charo is also joining the Soltones energy surge.
But now Soltones at the back row.
Hinihingal na. It's been all Soltones so far for PLDT dito, but they're still down by 7. Jump serve. Ganda pa rin. Gonzalez. Dakis. Soltones again.
Benting now for the spike.
Angat galing dito kay Bautista. Galing sa likuran, Gonzaga. De Leon!
Good drop shot there from Ruby.
Yan na, nabubuhayan na PLDT home telpad. Pawis na si Rachel Soltones.
Napagod siya sa huling round. But you know, she has been doing a lot of the legwork here for PLDT. You really do have to give credit to her. Good serve.
Here's Gonzalez on the quick to Sabas. Naabangan dyan ni Charo Soriano. And Gonzaga, hinataw na lang. Bahala na. Benting. Blocked there by Sabas. Ruby, galing sa likod. Soltones. Good idea, bad result. 7-point lead for the Philippine Army.
Let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you why a girl like me is so head over heels for the new Shakey's Pizza 1954. The secret's in the crust, the new gourmet crust. Then it is topped with only the finest ingredients and fresh herbs. The new Shakey's Pizza 1954. Now that's what I call a throwback.
Getting music doesn't have to be this hard. Now it's easy with Spinner from Smart. The country's first music streaming app that upgrades your music experience. Download now to enjoy unlimited streaming for only $2.50 a day with no added data charges. Listen to millions of songs wherever you go. Change the way you enjoy music with Spinner. Free 15-day trial.
So, ang gitna lang ang kailangan bantayan. Ang sabi ni Coach Roger, www.gmanetwork.com/news/sports/campus sports para po din sa latest galing sa Shakey's B-League. Noel Zarate, kasama po si Ivy Remulla at si Judy Saril coming to you from the arena. 16-9 Army. Third set. De Leon. Here's Gonzalez now. Combination. Dakis off the block. Played by Soltones. Roses galing sa likod. Gonzalez, Gonzaga, Roses with a dig. Panalo si De Leon sa joust. Hinulog. Here's Benting. Off speed, masyadong mahina.
She had the right thing in mind.
Yung gitna nga sana ipupuntahan niya, pero kinapos naman.
And that was actually the instruction of Coach Roger. Sa gitna ang butas ng Philippine Army.
17-9. Sarah Jane Gonzalez again. And Charo, ginamit yung pagkatigre niya that time. Dakis, Soltones. De Leon, back set, Roses, dug up there by Gonzalez. De Leon again!
And yun yung gitna na hinahanap ni Coach Roger.
Right. Pero alam mo naman ng Army, mag-a-adjust din. Look at this, si Dakis nagulat na lang. Hindi
dinrap.
Yun na nga eh. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ang dengue, Lion Tiger Katol ang gamitin, proudly Philippine made, and no form of momentum can be formed by the PLDT Home Telpad squad after something positive from Ruby De Leon, service error from Ruby De Leon.
And it is going to be a costly service error here for PLDT. They're down by 8 points.
Oops.
Well, too much angle there from Sabas. Sobrang target.
Ikaw
yata yung tina-target. Patingkat doon kasi shirt natin.
Coach Roger.
Patingkat doon kasi shirt natin.
Kulay green. Ikaw naman ang ngiti ni Coach Rico sa ni Coach Kung Fu.
Lutang na lutang doon kasi tayo.
Ano yun, na-magnetize ng ball. Ang ating berdeng t-shirt. Soriano. Here's Gonzalez now. Balse. Soriano with the dig. Back set, Roses. Abang si Balse. Si Dakis rather. And that will stay in. Dakis with a good all-around game actually. Blocking, serving, attacking, digging. So Rachel trying to put it away again sa kanyang serve. 6 na puntos ang kailangan ng Army para mapanatili ang kanilang unblemished record. De Vanadera dug up again by Dakis. Bautista. De Vanadera, second ball. Gonzaga, naabangan doon ni Benting.
Good block there from Angela Benting.
8 kontra 8. Nagilabanan doon. Baba sa 7. Benting, babad na babad mula nung pumasok ng ating second set. Gonzalez now, going to Gonzaga. Nobody there in zone 1. 2012. Serve coming from Gonzaga. Here is De Leon combination. Soltones kinaliwa. Gonzalez now going to Bautista. Turn back there by De Vanadera. Balse. And that is
that
missed.
was outside.
At saka si Pantone, hinila na lang yung kamay niya at the last moment. Munti ka bang madali doon ng check ball. 2013. Gonzalez.
Good save from Pantone.
Soltones now, yes.
Excellent hit from Soltones.
Hindi pa daw yan tapos, sabi ni Gretchen.
Well, actually, PLDT kaya pang humabol.
Oo.
They're down by 6, and as long as they do not commit any errors from this point on, then they can definitely tie this up.
Well, pansinin mo, dumami ng attack points ng PLDT dito sa ating third set. Gonzalez now, going to Balse, and Balse finds the line again.
Very, parang soft and sweet. Alam mo yun? Ano lang, what you notice about Ging is that angulo-angulo lang eh. And one thing that was also, I would like to point out with her attacks is kahit na miss ball na lang, gawa mo ng paraan, galing sa likod yung bola.
May ace pang kasama. So Ging Balse, able to get that service ace at 3 puntos na lang po kailangan ng Philippine Army to stay undefeated. At mabigay ang unang pagkatalo sa PLDT home telpad.
Oh, another good serve there from Ging Balse.
Habol na naman si Roses. Benting pinamigay. Gonzalez running attack para kay Sabas. Kahit sino na eh.
Everybody is contributing here sa Navy Troopers.
Kahit sino ang ipasok ni Coach Rico, positibo ang naging resulta. Balse again. That time it goes long. 23-15. And now Raisabel De Vanadera to serve. Trying to keep PLDT home telpad in this. Sure serve. Gonzalez. Bautista. Lusot kay Soltones. Siyam na match point na para sa Philippine Army. Serving for the match, a lady from Iloilo, Teresa Bautista.
Serve safely over. Good reception from Angela Binting. Soltones. Sent it outside.
So, pababa ng pababa yung naging output ng PLDT. 25-18, 25-16, and 25-15 as the Philippine Army deals PLDT home telpad their first loss of the season. So, titignan natin ngayon, of course, ang ating shake and play. Daming pagpipilian dito.
And it is Nene Bautista off the hands of the blockers from PLDT.
Nene Bautista, Ging Balse doing very well. Army winning over PLDT.
We text all day. I call her on Tuesday and Wednesday too. Thursday, we chat. So Friday, I'm in love. With Smart Prepaid All-In, 99 pesos lang, you're all set for 7 days. So every day you can text, call, surf, and Facebook. Thanks to the largest network. Send All-In 99 to 2827. Got the answer? Yeah?
With you.
I'm so lucky.
Now you can get ultra-fast internet speeds with Smart Pro's most affordable LTE plan. For as low as $5.99 a month, no lock-in period. What are you waiting for? Get Smart's internet now. Smart Pro.
What's a fun place to get great deals?
We always get the meal deals. There's something in it for everyone.
There's pizza, chicken, pasta.
It's worth it. That's why we're always here.
At Shakey's, we want to give you a fun time. So now you can choose what pizzas go with your monster meal and family meal deals.
Choose any for the same price.
What a great deal.
How do we make it better?
Ina-expect nyo ba na maipapanalo nyo ang game na ito in 3 straight sets?
Sa amin, hindi namin iniisip yan. Basta sa amin na laro lang, hampan lang sa game, saka nag-focus lang talaga kami. Nag-enjoy lang. Tapos kung ano sinasabi ng mga coaches namin, sinusunod namin. Kaya yun na namin.
Thank you and congratulations. So here's a Shaky Pizza for you. Balik sa inyo.
Alright, thank you very much. At si Ging Balse is our player of the game. At maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtangkilik dito. Nanalo na po ang Philippine Army and they stay undefeated kontra sa PLDT. On behalf of our interviewer Judy Saril and my partner Ivy Remulla, ito po si Noel Zarate. Paalam.